Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English conversation. In our channel, there are lots of tips and tricks, are there to learn English speaking. Want to speak English naturally? Keep watching our videos continuously. Watch full video, don't skip the video.
Watch conversation questioning and answering about landmark.
Hi. Hello. What is a famous landmark in your hometown? Well, I can't hide my proud to talk about the Statue of Liberty. When was it built? I read on newspapers that it was constructed in 1886. Where is it? It's located on Liberty Island, in New York Harbor. How does it look like? That's a woman, known as the Roman goddess, bearing a torch, and a broken chain lies at her feet. What was it made of? The main material was copper. Who was the architect? Mr. Gustav Eiffel, who also designed the Tower of Eiffel. What is special about it? Actually, it was gifted to my country, the USA, from the people of France. Does it symbolize something? The statue is a symbol of freedom. We all love it and are so proud to share with international friends about it. Does it attract many tourists to come? Yup. It attracts 4 million visitors each year according to the statistic.
The conversation is over.
Hello, friends. Now you know all about how to questioning and answering about landmark. Keep watching our videos continuously. Our next video is given below in our description. Keep watching to succeed. Please like and share if you enjoyed. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification immediately from our channel. Thank you for watching.